Hi everyone, I'm Samia from SS Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful home decor piece or a coaster. So let's get started. To make this, you'll need some jute rope, scissors, and glue. All you have to do is stick rope in a circular motion, some glue and rope. That's it. It's look like time consuming, but just do it. Once you get the idea, it's too easy to make. The size of the coaster is depend on you. You can make it smaller or bigger, totally up to you. And lastly, cut the extra rope when it's come as you expected size. And the last result is perfect. You can put it on your desk, tea table or dining table. That was today's video. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. How was the video? Comment below. No more today. Thanks for watching.